All right, so we're going to install Docker on a Raspberry Pi. So we're logged into it remotely over SSH. So we're going to start out by just running an apt update just to update the info about what packages are on the repo. And yeah, then we're going to run the actual package install. So we're going to say apt install docker.io. So we're just installing it from the repo rather than pulling it down from Docker. Hit yes, and then I speed this part up. It took a lot longer than this. I sped this up by a lot. And now that that's done, we are going to go ahead and just try it out. So run Docker. We can see the command works, so it's actually installed at least. So next we're going to actually try to run a Hello World Docker container. And before I forget, oh, also we need a root permission. So we're going to sudo to root and run this as root. And before I forget, I'm running this on Raspberry Pi OS, the 64-bit edition. So this is not running Ubuntu or anything like that. But any case, yeah, running Docker Hello World, and you see the output there shows that Hello World is working and it's completed. So when we run Docker ps-a, you actually have to put the dash in there, but yeah, run that and you see the output for our container. You can see that our container ran and completed. It's exited now. So make sure you hit that subscribe button because we have a lot of other useful content too, and a lot of things that are even more interesting than this. Like we do a lot of Raspberry Pi stuff, robots, coding, servers, Linux, Windows, Mac OS, all sorts of interesting stuff. Anything tech related you can think of. So yeah, if you want a great YouTube feed, more interesting stuff in your YouTube feed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.